Got the hiccups, sir.
Oh no, got the hiccups. Dude, there was one time for sure. The wife had hiccups. We were just laying there watching TV and she like hiccups maybe once or twice. Not even 5 seconds later. I'm just like, yeah. I catch her with the scare in mid hiccup. It like meets the hiccup at the rim, stuffs it, and they're gone.
What? That's true?
They're gone. So I've tried it since then. It hasn't worked as successfully as it did that one time. Partially because I just met her at the rim. I just met the hiccup right at the front of her mouth and her vocal cords.